Eshukurengesereza na nawe sobesa iba kura na buntu amara na mwe hapa witsi next year kura ati nyoni ngiye kuza bashobesa baraye mu batu
mchana nyuma baada kwa na district of schools wako kuna vigezo batwenda nyakato na watu washabe bale ndio kuanza kama batubali lete shule kile chimwe ni kwa bana bale
Ugabo mwana myo kutara shomere tiko utakwe no mwana shomere ate chike jone chitu nyoni nyesiga kwa bana banje aina shomere kai kuonga nyona ni bagamba ni bajang nyonga shomere tatangu zayamsenda ikire kana kashomanaye mwenu mutakana kagambro ngana ukamujira kunyowe kundara shomere ni bajang ikigambo mucheyo ngote
ishomereri rekatwarwa gavumenti omwaka gwa 1994 konka wahikaho no shango bakaryebwa konka bahigera bazire nabeje
twashomera ekikuru netwashomayo twashomera omunani sikuru tukwagire obwire okunangire Makerere University bakaba kubuza when did you study from senior 6 okakirizani would even feel shy Uramo para commission ingisho na God is wonder. Edoro jiremo it was a nice school it had come by you.
Wajabo ishimo nishi ishimo no kwegese umpato kwegese utakubira ko kwese mu tahamu ubugeze mu cyambe kuvuga na abantu bakuru ba stasi no yaneza ba parliament ba doctors n'abajungu bono no shanga abo kwegese kiyabere kahi broko wewe pera mushimira mali kuhumura mushome bahora beje
bakuru b'ishomero bagira ngo gavumenti yabetinekeye ko leta mweji ntabasa kubahoboza ishomereri ribiriri rya kabiri umugombora ya cyangenyi umukoraje bigezo konka imbera mbi yaryo neyirarikiraza
akogwa wire nyakatome kakoraji abejibana bakijemu yo kubanza tukabere twenda gukora okucaraho ubweto abantu barara ishomero
Gashakwa Maiko atwakire
mu district ya Kabarore abatura batanikire hururu yo kurinda ibyo bahangwa ubu barukurebera mu mageza genzarwa hamwe n'imibaze y'ibishaka ihururegi hegendeye kureba ngo abantu bagumana bakoresa ibishaka hamwe n'imiti okurebereraje ibyo bahangwa hamwe n'amagaragabo
ubwahati ihurregera umuneko rwo mu myanya nkaciyaga Borera Kigando na Nakibasi ubw'istongore star cha government cha Friends with the Environment and Development kiriyo nikiteka mu mutwe
kikisaka kuonka nikisobora kuungiza na kifora kinywani. That's why rundi egini yensonga ekitongole cyange dikita Friends with Environment in Development. Much as we pursue development, we must be friends with the environment. Omuntu industries atakufa environment na atwara development yonka neje kujya hano kisaka kimwe nakwerekeza abako byona datakubira mugaso.
Robert Kugonza mukuru w'istongoreki nagira ngo hansi y'ihurreji abantu nibegeso bwahamugasho gw'emiteta ryemwe nemwe otireho na nebishaka ahamagara gabo
nosanga ngo umuntu nayihamu uwe wenka nagamba nsemera kurorera ebyo buhango habukuba nebingasira biti gapo igini niye turukweta omurujungu indigenous knowledge rundi amageza agebyo buhangwa rundi ago buhangwa okurorera ebyo buhangwa
abo muhurrezi bagwatanise n'aba Millennium Community Development Initiative okurwa mu ihanga rya Kenya aba bagizireho na nortaya yo mu district ya Kabarore okureba hamiringo eyibakoresamo kandi bakego ko bakugita bukugu omekore yabo eyo kume byo bahangwa.
When we were colonized, we were brought Western education and also the Christian religion, and some of the denominations within the Christian religion, not all, but some were very much against anything traditional because they saw it as a threat to their power within their community.
As the connection between the traditional medicines and environmental conservation, one is that we don't destroy the forest, and when it comes to harvesting of the herbal medicines, you remove a section of it for the future of tomorrow.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Jonathan Tsingwiri.
Umuyobozi wa minisita w'ebyobwegyese biri kutandikirwaho Joyce Muriku Kaduchu atongwizeho ekyombekirwe gavumenti ayishomero rya Hoima School of Nursing and Midwifery omu rurembo rwa Hoima. Ogu ajumirira bababiri nibabungesa engambo bari kugira ngu project egiteragenda omu misho.
Okwombeka ekyombeko ekiri kuza kuraza abaishiki 208 ahitendekero rya Hoima School of Nursing and Midwifery omu rurembo rwa Hoima kyakanyinishatu kukozirwe aba UPDF Engineering Brigade kandi bacyombekire emyezi 15.
People will be interested to know how much this structure costed. It costed us 2,297 million. And we have done to the completion. There is value of money. We have been having several site meetings, and it has been a testimony by the LOC. Thank you very much. Please receive the structure.
Minister omuhwezi w'ebyobwegyese oburikubandizibwaho Joyce Muriku Kaduchu yajwekera Minister w'ebyobwegyese n'emizaano Mama Janet Kataha Museveni.
There were many doubting Thomases. There were people who did not believe in the capability and the potential of UPDF Engineering Brigade. And they raised a lot of issues. They raised a lot of query. But to date, UPDF Brigade has proven the doubting Thomas were wrong. We take a step closer to empowering our girls to contribute to meaningful activities in our society.
Omu butumwa bwa Mama Janet Museveni yashaba abantu okukora ebintu ebiri kubayamba okwerinda endwara okukira okuragurwa.
Focus on promoting health care. The priority of health sector is not about treating diseases. The priority is not about going to treat every single disease. The priority is to prevent diseases.
The second project the UPDF is undertaking in Hoima City. This having been completed, we also have a maternity ward at Karongo Health Center, which the UPDF is now at 90%.
Mark Karanzi ori mukuru w'itendekero hamwe na Dr. Henry Wamani ori chairman w'urukiko rukuru rw'itendekero basima gavumenti ahabwa obuhereza bw'ekyombeko eky'omutano.
As we are grateful for this beautiful hostel,
and we cannot take that for granted, we can see and confirm that the government is on the right track now.
Aha mukoro habaho no kusima beji 26 abitendekero okundi ihanga ryabo chete patriotism. Gashakwa Ambrose Nwagaba Gatoto.
Katuhumureo kaki tugarukana gihangwa gandi.
Osmosis again.
Osmosis tried to pay. Money wasn't enough. He checked every pocket. Money wasn't enough. Osi, we're sorting it. With the Momo, we're sorting it. Osmosis checked again. Money still not enough. He looked everywhere. Hey, but what is going on? Osi, we're sorting it. With the Momo, we're sorting it.
Sita za uzazi takumara. We are sorting na MTN Momo. Kwa Momo app ninga shonyege star igana kaga ni 5 star 5 hash ukongeraho na Momo advance kandi ushashure biruzi usindike sente ninga shogure bundles.
It's in the air. Will that be set? magnificent performance.
Recharge your day with Sting. Extreme energy, refreshing taste, available countrywide. Sting, life switched on, from the makers of Pepsi.
Mugiyangwa gecwekeki abantu baburijwe hamwe n'abebembezi mu district Isingiro borekero kwatwaho ahawe namba y'abashaho etarukumara abana bagira ngo nabake abaroho tibine buraro burukumara.
Ebi bigambirwa bw'abantu bo mugombora yaberere na Nisingiro Town Council babiri nibabugana Minister w'obuhingi n'oburisa kandi omunyishingiro w'ecwekeki okugamba ahashonga ezirukwata ha district age.
Echo kubanza kahenda ile senta tu staff ninche kandi abantu abakura gurazayo nibingi ntwenda kukwakubaro chance yo kubasa kongera yo abashaho
kora sechi imu kureba mutaranganza hagati teka huyi baza kwija bareta nadareya ogo mchuto ko bantu bagamba tukuza ko ariyo fezi baza futana ngo mukwa kabiro.
Minister Bright Rwamerama ahamize ngo buhereza nkamarwaro nebindi nibiza kutebwa mu amani.
Wakati ni area zizo kushanga bari yawo kiko bagweje giri abakozi bakore byabo baguze mbazi umite mwagambe ebitungukira ari mutagamba umutkaeza mwite za diary
enguto ezikozerwa hansi y'entekateka ya Usmaid abantu bamanyisibwe ngunaza kwa ngo sente zero
district tutekwa kuteka mu ba doctor ba qualify basha echo ntinchi mahisa harwa bitu betwinemu hatukayongera muna nabandi mayintegereza hate sentezo minister wari kuzitushacha na hatu mu recruitment y'abashomesa hamwe n'abashaho ubwo umuntu watwereye nguto ntubaza kujya kumbura Kristinga ukijyaga kakora imirimo ya government ndiye saroni yabagambira tujya kujya kunu yabaye MPs president yarga umurambo rwari mu yaheza nkore twino okujya kuzirambura tukashitama tukare road fund sente kuzakoze siwe no kuturukuza kubikora tukabitereza imbuto tujya kuzitahara yini
hona habiriho no kutongoza okuguma mu ntebe zabo ezibarumu batine cya kanisa kandi bakwasibwe neberabo.
Nominating His Excellency General Yoweri Kaguta Tuhaurwa Museveni, the President of Republic of Uganda, as a sole candidate 2026. Honorable Lieutenant Colonel retired Rwamerama Bright K as our member of Parliament, Isingiro North, as a sole candidate.
Gasha kwa Rusunu Wamanya.
Chairman wa district ya Ntungamo Sam Muchunguzi hatongwizeho okombe kishomero ya Kibasi Seed School herukushangwa omwishaze rya Kajara. Seed School egineza kumaraho sente zo kwingana bilioni 2 na milioni 450.
Chairman wa district ya Ntungamo Sam Muchunguzi na RDC Isaiah Byarga bakanyamahane na nabandi bebembezi nibo batongwizeho kombe kishomero rya Kibasi Seed School muri Kajara.
Konga turugombo nafu office ya DC etulirye abo kuba nebi tibyakubireho tukabura amatafari kuza hasi kunogera ngo office ekanehweza je nemanya kutudagira engineer agakora ibintu byakwe
contractor iko turija ku monitoringa twije hati turaza kushobora tware ko kundi kwezi turitafizira cyo kubanza nimo ba monitors bo kubanza nimo ku monitoringa je project turi hamwe konka contractor hinda kubara hasa kutareba mu magezi gawo jote akaruyane no kubatakareba konka kakagwiri
itake rukuza kombe kwa Seed School eji rihirwe ye kanisa
nangwe no sitsa fidesa katuyamba munonga kuza kwikara achi bishop omwanda kabugumere yatuyamba bahika kutwichereza konka muntu yambere nkachacho mwara kusya twabaraka kufunera itaka twayombeka turinda kubasima munonga
ishomerere katandika 2020 Chairman na RDC konka yatandika nkishomero rye kanisa konka takushoro abantu mu yakaturici abantu musiramu abantu mu kristayo wanotine dini turanguishomu abana batunga okugunjuru
bamwe abatura borekera amashemererwa ahabwo kutunga ishomero
ubwo kutunga ikintu cyango kiti sidi school so ndongera kusima kandi hona kusima nabembeza abandi aba district n'abandi bona habwo umuntu kuba tukorire
ni nsima government turete ishomero nkeri tureba abakozi bakorera kimwe n'amani
kurangu kibasi nitwe twatunga ishomero abana bitu baza kona engendo za rezo bintu batambara ubwo bashomera aha nsima government ya NRM ihangare
ishomero rya Kibasi Seed School nariza kombe kwa bagorode na General Surprise Limited aha sente biliyoni 2 na miliyoni 250 ombwire bw'amezi mwenda gonga aha bwa TV West and area Saratugusa.
abatura ba Makondo na Kakasozi umurikinuko mu district ya Lyantonde bariyobera kirire abo mugigo bari kugira ngo ariyo naza kubabinga ahita kera batwireho itakeri roho amakagaru kurenga umuri 20 kandi nabashaba abukiri kwataho ukurgayo bakabahwera
okurigera kwetomboitwa kw'abatura binjo mugombore yakinuka Lyantonde nabagera ngo umugiga Vincent Rukwago nuwe abahagami na nuko babinga amataka ago bari kugira ngo nagabo obwe ari kurabira umbukoryo butari umwe na bumwe oburumuna no kubakoma
yasanga ngandi mulwadde ngandi muyinnyo nayikiriza abana abo nga banzijanjaba n'abalimbalimba n'agamba nti nze nina ebisawo byange bibiri tuwanyise kitamwe yafa kati nyamwe kugunda agenda kufa twagala tuwanyise ebisawo byange bibiri mbawe n'obusente obunasobola okutwala nyamwe mu ddwaliro ate tumwogera ate tumugeza nimwomubuulira
nenjawulo eriwo nti omwe alina ssente omulala talina kati alina ku ssente anyigiriza ono atalina ate nga atalina yeyasooka ku kibanja ye yagula yayina ennuude ze 3 kati ono baamuguza ate ekyono eyasookaho
Nabukenya Babula nze nyina okwemulugunya nnyo nnyo okwago oyo gwolaba yatwala ettaka lya kitange nali mu ddwaliro Kagongo ne balitwala nakati nagenda okwogera nangamba ngende ku poliisi mpaabe nasangamu n'emiti ng'ayina emiti twali tugiguza emitwalo 12 nensindikayo okuteesa n'atuukayo n'amugamba genda oyite poliisi
omushaki witu ashikira mu maka gatari gamwe na gamwe okucondoza ebiri kukiraho
eterana n'ezindundi 2.5 zibandundezi mukorendagano nyumuka mukorendagano bona bakabaro ntanene byo byanje
ayiza nyamusana ayiza n'abakozi be bantamikwa bankoma banditiro miti abantu be baguma banyemerera
nguso witaka faya tsigute takaliperi ikigana shatu na mukaga kwihobo mushijo guyateganisa kwatatomba ntumbame kwagana n'abapolisi gite ibintu atemushango umukota gigura
inshongezi nizo zijemeserize na ofisi ya RDC okuhika omura Makondo okubagarukanisa konka abamwete bakicerezine
mwami oli bagenda bakwatagana na deputy betunabo nkentaka tungile report omukyaro ogwo ayongera agaruka aiza nsanga mu office ngamba hati nko konsangiramo let me listen to you onsobore yansobora nayikiriza namugambira byone byongambire bukozereki biki tinuko ati yo bakwiza akagambira no gamba tibikire not until you listen to another side I called Rukwago eza yansobora nagamba naye byogamba hati nakure naye byabishikira baitu abakwija kutusara mu bintu ebi balinkai achara
bitu wo mugiga nagira ngo amataka ganage ngo nangwa na nabaga mugurize baroho
ijayo hadizo tubeija n'amasomo gabo kubuziro konka omwaruho nena gano za nena gandwanya zino mukona George Hahira tibyampansha George Hahira aharuha kandi bari n'abana be no kubezarra so konko babuza baturwa twaguze itaka lyawe hikina na ndundi ibi icyo kufa niki kansha togubuka na leta horwari ngo ine ndundeze ishatu nyonko nkore iki abangurize nyine ndagano zabo ni hikina na ndundi ibi sivyo nawangira ati nyoine hikisha kuto asterine RDC wawe ugo assistant wawe kya asterine lyantonde twashanga abamwana gwa hikitano bakatunda hikitano handunde emwe acho kibagandi RDC abagira at family mukatunda itaka lingi rishagira hatu mugarike nyuma mugende yaba hike mu muronda sente mukazigarra rwago yaba muzigarra Silvia konka family mukatunda itaka rishagira
amakuru agagasha kwa Sandeke William